Based on one of the latest newsletter from Victoria McCaskill, here are some of the most important February housing market update. February started off with strong buyer demand. Rates were hovering around 6%, at times dipping slightly below 6%, and buyers were once again facing stiff competition. This momentum slowed by mid-month, as mortgage interest rates neared 7% due to unfavorable labor and inflation data. The data shows the rate of inflation is not slowing as quickly as expected and the labor market remains unbalanced. The Federal Reserve will continue raising interest rates to combat both issues. The expectation is that the Federal Reserve will continue to raise rates in March, May, and possibly June. As for the Denver Metro's housing market, February's month-over-month data improved. The number of closed homes increased by 22.51% and the median sold price increased by 4.39%. As expected, the year-over-year data is negative, with the number of sold homes down 24.87%, the median sold price down 2.17%, inventory up 208%, and days on market up 242%. This trend will likely continue throughout the year. When you parse out the data, the attached home market is faring slightly better than the detached market. The attached median sold price is down 1.23% from a year ago, whereas the detached median sold price is down 5.66% from a year ago. The lack of affordability is driving more buyers into the attached market, which is comprised primarily of condos and townhomes. We can expect 2023's median sold price trends to mimic a pre-pandemic year such as 2018 or 2019, although year-over-year values may continue to decline if mortgage rates remain high. The market will remain highly sensitive to changes in mortgage interest rates. Expect decreases in rates to be met with increased buyer demand and vice versa. We will see gradual month-over-month increases through the spring, and then a retraction in prices over the summer months once inventory increases. Due to low inventory, well-positioned inventory that is updated, in strong locations, and priced well will fly off the market. Buyers, it's important to keep in mind that inventory levels are still well below average. The average active listings for February 1985 to 2022 is 12,905 units and we are sitting at 3,778 units. Low inventory will persist as existing homeowners have low mortgage interest rates, and they cannot afford to sell their homes and buy at a high rate. This golden handcuff makes it difficult for a seller to give up their 3% interest rate and buy a home with a 7% interest rate. Many would-be sellers will not enter the market this year. If rates drop and demand for housing increases from the investor market, buyers will once again be faced with a competitive buying environment due to low inventory. Another startling statistic released this month is that in Q4 2022 there were more built-for-rent construction starts than there were built-for-sale starts. Sellers, it's important to price accurately and carefully prepare your home for sale. Buyers will be picky, but if a home is positioned well, it will move quickly. One bright spot the media is reporting on is the over-million market, or the luxury market. The Denver Metro Association of Realtors, or DMAR, classifies and tracks housing data based on sold price. Here is how they define each market: luxury, properties that sold for $1 million or more; signature, properties that sold between $750,000 and $999,999; premier, properties that sold between $500,000 and $749,999; classic, properties that sold between $300,000 and $499,999. When we look at the sold price per square foot year over year, the luxury market is the only market that shows a gain of 7.55%. The signature market declined 6.23%, the premier market declined 9.22%, and the classic market declined 8.39%. The luxury market is less sensitive to mortgage interest rate increases as it tends to have more cash buyers than the other sectors. In February, the luxury market accounts for 9% of the sold units and 24% of sales volume. The premier market is the largest segment and accounts for 42% of all sold units and 39% of sold volume. That's all from Victoria. Thank you for watching. If you are interested in buying properties in Denver, Colorado, feel free to contact Homes Real Estate Group. They will get you in contact with the best real estate agent for your particular needs. Visit their website at homesrealestategroup.com.